In a survival situation, a snare is one of the most effective hunting tools in your kit. But low effort, quick, and easy to do isn't everything. It needs to be reliable. Watch this. Once this loop closes, it locks. No loosening, no escape. This is the power of the poacher's knot. But how do you build one that's actually effective and, more importantly, ethical? The poacher's knot is a masterpiece of physics. By wrapping the line around the standing part, we create a high-friction eyelet. Simply put, the knot is designed as a friction knot. Unlike decorative knots, it is meant to clamp tightly under load. Once tightened, the geometry of the windings prevents the line from slipping back through the knot. This is crucial for maintaining the final, secure position of the loop. But here's the problem with traditional snares. They're indiscriminate. If you're setting traps for survival, you don't want a kill trap if you're looking for a live capture scenario. That's why you need to add a stopper. By placing this simple limiter on your running line, you control the aperture. It allows the snare to close just enough to secure the animal without causing unnecessary injury. It's a small adjustment that turns a basic snare into a humane, selective tool for responsible survivalists. The stopper on the Poacher snare does its job, even if you use a thin string. Master the poacher's knot, add the stopper, and understand your environment. If you found this breakdown useful, hit subscribe for more survival engineering tips. Check out the next video, you might enjoy. Stay safe and stay smart out there.